Now let's take a look at how to add headers and footers into our document. Under Insert, we have two different categories here. We can add headers and footers and also page numbers. Let's start by adding a header. So we'll go ahead and click on Header. And now you can see my cursor is brought up to the top left-hand corner. And I have some options over here too to further customize my header. So I can adjust the header format here by customizing my margins or picking a different layout here. Additionally, I can add page numbers or remove my header overall. I can also deem if my header is a different header or the first page is a different header from the rest. So we'll go ahead and type in product procedure doc, and that is now my header. Let's go ahead and add a footer now to my document. We'll go ahead and add a footer, and we'll just write new version down below. So as I scroll, you can see that that header has now carried on to the next page. Same with my footer, and same on the blank page down at the bottom as well. We can further customize our headers and footers by clicking into them, and we can change the font. We can add a color here. So let's say I want this to stand out. I'll go ahead and make it red and bold it and increase the font size too. You'll also notice when I click off of my header or footer, I can no longer edit it. I have to double click into it, and now I'm able to make adjustments. So now let's go ahead and add a page number in. So we'll go back to Insert, and under page numbers, we have some options here. So our layout options are going to be right here, and we have additional options to further customize how our page number appears in our Google Doc. I'm going to go back to Insert, and I'm going to pick this layout option here. And as you can see, that one is now inserted into my header, and we'll scroll down to the next page, and now it says page 2. And now it says page 3. Oops, and now it says page 3 here. And same with our headers and footers, we can also customize our page numbers too. So we can turn this back to black and make this smaller. And that is how we add a header and footer and page numbers into our Google Docs. One thing to note, you cannot add a date or a time into your header or footer, but you can add anything else.
We hope this video helped. Make sure to click the thumbs up and click the subscribe button right here. And click the link above to check out our Limelight classes, a free virtual live training. See you in the next video.